Welcome to Sharing, Tracking, and Assessing Student Work using Seesaw. So why should you use Seesaw? Well, you can use Seesaw as a tool to not only provide multimodal learning tools and choice for students, but you can also use it to assess and track students' work in real time, and to create and share individual and collaborative activities that support exploration and choice. If you would like a brief overview of what Seesaw is all about, you can click on this video to find out more. So let's get started. So I'm going to quickly go over the multimodal learning tools that are available with Seesaw. Seesaw has a creative canvas, which I've included a picture of right in here. And this picture is showing you all of the different things and tools you can use when you are creating or uploading things on Seesaw. This is also the things that your students can use. So using their creative canvas, students have choice to show what they know. They can take pictures, they can draw, they could create a video. You have the ability to upload assignments. You also have the ability to caption with text or voice, as do your students. And our students can save things as drafts and always return to it later. If you would like a more in-depth look at the creative tools, if you just want to click on this link, you will go to a more in-depth video. So the great thing about this is you can support all students using their creative canvas. The second tool is how you can assess students' work. So you're going to use the text and audio comment feature, and this is going to allow you to send back approved work to children. It's going to allow you to send comments while your students are working so that you can provide real-time feedback. You're also going to be able to direct students when they need to revise. Part of assessing student works is the star rating and the skills icon. You can use those to help capture overall mastery. You can view ratings and progress in the Progress tab. You're also able to view individual students' progress in each lesson. This is going to give you more time to work with students in real time. If you would like more information, and again, more detailed information, if you go to this video, it's going to show you even more what you can do with feedback and assessments. An added feature to help you track students' progress is, again, using the skills, and you're going to use the skills view feature. This is going to allow you to add skills. You can tag skills to posts and activities. You can give skills ratings, and perhaps the most helpful for Modern Classroom Project is it's helping us track the learning with Progress Skills View. If you want more information, the Seesaw Skills and Progress Skills View will show you how to do all of these things. So we're going to keep going to learn more about why we would want to use Seesaw with Modern Classroom Project. Lastly, I want to talk about the activity library. You can use the activity library, which I have pictures of. This is the community activity library, and this is what your individual activity library might look like. Using the activity library, you are able to create interactive templates. You can use video, audio, and links. This allows you to support exploration, choice, and collaboration amongst students. You can also find pre-made Seesaw lessons from educators around the world. For more information on the Seesaw Activity Library, if you click on this link, that will take you right to the next video. Now for the fun part. It's your turn. So for the must-do, create an activity. If you can, include a picture or upload a document. Play around with it. You're not going to break anything. Your should-do would be to complete the activity as if you were a student. So you're going to go in as a student. Play with all of the multimodal tools and think about how your students can use these. Next, comment on the activity as a teacher. And finally, our aspire to do. Give a star rating for the activity, and then see if you can create a skill for the activity. This will allow you to see how you will be able to rate students and track their skills in real time. I hope you've enjoyed learning about Seesaw and how you can use it in the Modern Classroom Project.